April is Child Abuse Prevention and Awareness Month, and the Dallas Children's Advocacy Center just kicked off a campaign looking to spread hope through the North Texas community. Joining us now to talk more about it is Mark Bradford, the DCAC Chief External Relations Officer. Mark, good morning.
Good morning.
Glad you're joining us today. Tell us a little more about Dallas Children's Advocacy Center.
Well, the mission of the Dallas Children's Advocacy Center is to improve the lives of abused children in Dallas County and provide national leadership and training to all of our partners on child abuse issues. DCAC clients are children who have been either sexually abused, severely physically abused, or children who have even witnessed a violent crime. And through our research, we know that our average client is a 9-year-old child who most times is sexually abused, over 95% of the time abused by somebody they know or somebody that's close to them.
Wow, how do you serve all the children under your mission?
Well, we're a unique organization that we're child-centered and child-focused. We do work with law enforcement, CPS, the DA's office, and children's hospitals to make sure that the child gets the justice they need in the criminal system, but also the mental health, mental wellness to make sure they come out of this as whole and as complete and as confident as possible. Last year we provided services to over 13,000 victims and non-offending family members, and that's through forensic interviews, family therapy, family advocacy, and just our ongoing case coordination so we can keep them updated to what's going on and what their status is.
Sounds like a big collaboration to help a lot of children. Have you noticed any trends with cases that you're seeing? And if so, what do you think is driving them?
So we have seen an increase. So in 2022, there were over 30,000 reported cases of child abuse in Dallas County, which was about 11% increase over the year before. And even though you at first glance, you might think, well, okay, well, child abuse is happening more. In reality, what we think is happening or what's going on is that parents, caregivers, teachers, those that are in the child's lives are becoming more aware of what the symptoms are. One of the things that have been a big focus, as we know across the nation, is mental health and mental wellness. And these people that are involved in these kids' lives are paying more attention to that and therefore noticing that their child's behavior is changing. And that's very important because on average, only 1 out of every 10 children who are a victim of abuse will ever outcry or speak up. And so we need those caregivers to rely on their instincts to protect the children.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a good trend, that folks are being more aware of what they're seeing. You guys just kicked off a campaign called Pinwheels of Hope. Tell us more about that.
So April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and the Pinwheel of Hope campaign sponsored by Co-America is exactly that, a campaign to raise awareness. Child abuse help us raise funds for the missions at the DCAC. For every $50 somebody donates, and they can go to our website at dcac.org/pinwheel. For every $50 they donate, they'll have the option of selecting a sign to display in their front yard to show that they're standing up and supporting those victims of child abuse.
And we're looking at video of that sign and what it looks like. For folks who are sitting at home, they're watching this and want to get involved. How do they do so?
So again, visit our website, make a donation. You'll have the option of selecting where you want to pick up your sign, which Co-America branch. Co-America is a great partner for us in this, and they're covering a lot of the upfront costs for us, and they're assisting us in distribution. And so that way, when somebody donates, they can find a location that's closest to them, go pick up their sign. They can even purchase signs for their neighbors and put signs in their neighbor's yard. But Co-America and their sponsorship and their help in this has been greatly, greatly appreciated. And all they have to do is go to our website, make a donation, and help us prevent and support child abuse.
Mark, we appreciate your time. Again, that website was dcac.org. Thank you so much. We'll be right back.